So, hi folks and welcome back. Day 2. They've done the other side after the breakdown from last night. They got that done just before the rain. Andrew, Keith as I call him, has asked me to come and tip all the bales up until we get them in on Wednesday or Thursday. Why I'm doing this is, while we tip them on end, it's a perfect example. I've just tipped this one over, but a bird's landed on here, and then, you know, their spiky claws, their feet, dig in, and then they have a peck at the bale, and if you don't see it, the bale goes off. So it's better to swip them over on the sides like this, because it's a lot stronger plastic here, and it is there, and it's easier to put a bit of tape on there because it's solid, where here, after the gases and the air pushes it, they can swell a bit, and they go a bit, as you can see, they go a bit puffy. So this is the reason why we do this. And then any major holes or any holes, we put a patch on them of black tape. So thanks for watching, see you soon. Hit the like button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So folks, this is this field done. We'll go on to the next field, what we finished off from the accident where we had the breakdown. So happy days, let's get them done.
I get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Oh, I get dirty thoughts about you. They're so strong that I'm about to say them all to you out loud. God can't save me now. Oh. Why am I still here and waiting for us to happen? 'Cause you never wanted everything I loved about you. I probably.
So folks, all this is done now, and we'll get them in either Wednesday or Thursday. I'll take some footage of that and update it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification, helps my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.